Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make managing your money as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to set up a Honeydue account. If you're in a relationship and want to track shared expenses, budgets, and goals without the hassle, Honeydue is your new best friend. It's a secure app designed for couples to collaborate on finances, making money talks less stressful and more straightforward. First things first, let's get started. Step 1. Download the Honeydue app from your app store. Whether you're on iOS or Android, just search for Honeydue and hit install. Once it's downloaded, open the app and you'll see a welcoming screen. Tap on Sign Up to create a new account. You'll need to enter your email address, create a strong password, and maybe verify your phone number for added security. Trust me, this helps keep your data safe. Moving on to Step 2. After signing up, check your email for a verification link from Honeydue. Click it to confirm your account. This usually takes just a minute. Now, you're in. Next, set up your profile by adding basic info like your name and a profile picture. This makes the app more personal and helps your partner recognize you easily. Step 3. Invite your partner. Honeydue is all about teamwork, so use the app's invite feature to send a link via email or text. Once they accept, you can start linking accounts or setting joint budgets. Don't forget to explore the settings menu to customize notifications, privacy options, and payment methods. It's a great way to tailor the app to your needs. A quick tip: always use a unique password and enable two-factor authentication if available. This ensures your financial data stays protected. And if you run into any issues, Honeydue's support team is just a chat away in the app. There you have it, folks. Setting up your Honeydue account is quick, simple, and a game changer for couple finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.